warzone, everybody. Get your hands in the game. Get suited up. We're gonna deploy. I wanna. Okay, I need do that. Oh yeah.
Resurgence.
Yeah.
Survive the timer to secure redeployment. Earn points for
The weirdest kills ever. The weirdest kills ever. Are gonna be led down to me in a minute. Yeah, I'm not going there.
Enemy soldier incoming. They've got a SAM turret online.
I don't know where the guy goes. Get out, Mate.
LDBR awaiting targeting data.
15 rounds. Out. They got me.
Damn it. I want to get shit.
Hostile UAV in the area.
Target grid struck.
Damn it! It's not fair. It's not fair. It's not fair.
You're back on station. Go get after it.
I'm gonna swim in the air. I'm dead. Oh, look. Yeah, look. Oh, what is that? No. Another SMG. Give me a goddamn SMG, boy. I'm getting looked at. Hey, I see you.
They got me. Need a medic.
You're losing ground. Move it. Hostiles have established a SAM turret.
I'm under fire.
Enemy UAV is online. Enemy counter UAV inbound.
SAM turret available.
Loadout drop headed your way. Enemies are dropping into the area. Watch the skies. Only 25 left. Keep up the good work.
I'm gonna die. See it, sorry I'm too late. Why do I keep getting killed?
You're getting another chance. Weapons free.
Can't believe I just did that.
Enemy SAM turret active. Enemy UAV overhead.
Look, he's still there.
Enemy spotted.
God damn. God damn. He's dead.
You've got gas moving in. Enemy UAV is online. Enemy soldier incoming.
He dead. How did he get out? I can't get out the window. Where'd he go? Oh, there he is. Damn it.
Enemy UAV
Damn it.
overhead.
I got him! Damn it. I'm gonna stop trying.
Taking fire.
Enemy counter UAV inbound.
What? Hell no.
Fire fan
What
is
is that?
active. Buy station prices are adjusted.
What did I just get killed again? Ain't killing me twice.
Hostile UAV in the area. Enemy UAV overhead.
No!
You were one of 25 remaining. They
Okay.
hit us hard that time. Dust yourself.